Okay. Good morning to all. A very good morning. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So we did trigonometry part. Yes. Any problem, Ezekiel, Jehovan, Hannah? Please tell me.
Sir, I was not able to do the page
Hmm.
551, question 8.
Okay. Just give me a second. Page number.
551, question 8.
Sorry. 551. Question 8. Huh? Ah. 551. Question number 8. This question. This question you were saying? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So this question, how will you do this? I will do it first, then I will explain it. Okay. Chalo. Now, this is the question. Okay. What is this? Sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta is equals to cos theta that we have to prove. Now, we should know this formula. Okay, yes, oral test, I will take this after this question. So, sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Yes, sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. If you have formula sheet with you right now, you can check it that sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. In the same way, tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Yes, if you have formula sheet, you go and check that. Okay. Now 1 minus sin theta is equals to cos theta. Now both the denominators are same. So as we learned, if the denominators are same, so we can take a common denominator. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? So I take a common denominator which is cos theta here. Okay. Now 1 plus sin theta is there and 1 minus sin theta is there and they are multiplication. So now a plus b multiplied by a minus b. The identity will be a square minus b square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hannah, Ezekiel, are you with me? Abigail, did you understand?
No, sir.
What did you understand?
The 1 minus sine data.
This one? This step?
Yeah.
Okay, it's an identity that when you will multiply a plus b and into a minus b, then the answer will be a square minus b square. This is an identity. So if I will compare this thing like 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. If I will compare it with this, like a plus b into a minus b. If I will compare it like this, then it will become what? A square minus b square. Yes or no? So if I will compare that a is 1 and b is what? Sine theta. Now I have to write it in this form. So it will become 1 minus sine square theta. Like if I will write it in this form. So it means that 1 plus sine theta here, 1 plus sine theta, when you're multiplying with 1 minus sine theta, then it becomes 1 square minus sine square theta. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have the property cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. Now this sine square theta when go to the right hand side become 1 minus sine square theta. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand, Joshua? Jehoan, are you with me?
How did you do
Okay.
that?
See, cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. We know this formula. Then I send the plus sine square theta to the right hand side, it becomes minus sine square theta. Understood? Ezekiel? No.
Are you doing the same sum, sir?
Yeah, same sum,
So
same
it
sum
was
I'm doing.
from 1 square minus sine square. What did you do? That's equal to cos square theta. And like you got it correct there, right? So then,
Till here you did got, no? Till here you got,
yes.
no?
And then,
Now I know this identity. Did I know this identity? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. Now I'm sending plus sine square theta to the right hand side, it becomes minus sine square theta. Okay. Now it means that cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta, I am writing as cos square theta. I'm just substituting the value. So cos square theta upon cos theta is equals to cos theta. This cos theta and this square will cut, so it becomes cos theta is equals to cos theta. And proof. Done, everyone? Understood, Joshua?
So you
Joshua, where you didn't understand?
substituted the sine square theta, right?
Now whole 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta here.
Oh,
You got it or not, Joshua? No, if you didn't get it, just ask me later.
I got it.
Pakka? Write it down if you want to write. If you want to take screenshot, take screenshot. Take screenshot, otherwise it will just save our time. Now we'll do sort of little hard questions, okay, in the trigonometry. Okay, shall I raise this, guys? If you guys know, then do it. But if you don't know, don't stick. Just try to do it. Whatever you're getting. Okay, I'll just give you a hint in the beginning and then do it. This is the question. Sin A upon 1 plus cos A is equal plus sin A upon 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cos A. Now this question is given. How to solve this question? How will you solve this? See, first is that this 1 minus cos A, like the denominators are not same. In this question, the denominators are not same. Now for that, I have to make the denominator same. So guys, please pay attention. How will you make the denominator same in this case? See guys, for example, if I want to add 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3. If I want to add this number, so how will you add this, Ezekiel? Don't write it down with me. I will give you time to take screenshot. No problem in that. Please, guys. So how
5
will you
into
add this?
3 and 2 into 3 and 3 into 5 and 7 into 5 and make the denominator same.
So first step is to make the denominator same. So there are the ways of taking LCM thing. No? But in this case, now you become a very big student, okay, in your secondary class. So no need to take waste your time in taking LCM. But we can directly do this like this. Like this, 3 will multiply with both up and down of the next fraction. Understood, Abigail? Did you understand, Abigail?
Yes, sir.
I am telling it to you that how will you make the denominator same. So this 3 will multiply with both numerator and denominator. So it will become 6 upon 50. Understood? In the same way, this 5 will multiply with both numerator and denominator. It will make 35 upon 15. Now the denominators are same. Now the denominators are same. So how will you do? Then it will become 41 upon 15. Joshua, did you understand? Joshua, did you understand
Yes.
this step?
Yes, sir.
Akka?
Sir, sine, what is that? A? What is it called? I forgot.
A is the angle, like theta is just A, nothing else.
Oh.
A is just an angle, okay, name of the angle. Did you
So,
understand
sir,
this part? This box part, did you understand?
yeah, I understood the box one.
Yes, your doubt, you're asking something.
Yeah, sine angle plus sine angle is 2 cosec angle.
No, see guys, we have to prove the LHS because as I told you, we have to choose the complicated parts. So I'm choosing the LHS side to solve it to get the two cosec. Okay, so do you guys have formula sheet with you? The formula which I gave? Yes, please let it be with you, okay, so that you can understand it very clearly. So now in this question, because is the denominators are same, Hannah? Is the denominator same, Hannah?
No.
No, and the denominators are not same. So it means that I have to multiply this thing with both up and down, like we did in this question. So it will become sine A. Or we can do one thing. Before that, listen, guys, listen. Before that, please don't write, okay? I'll give you time. Jehovan, I'll pakka give you a time. Okay? So before that, what we will do, like sine A will become a common, remaining behind 1 upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 upon 1 minus cos A. What I did, I take out the numerator has both numerator have sine A. So I take out the sine A as a common. Remaining behind now this will not there, so it will become 1. This is not there, it will also become 1. It will become 1 upon 1 plus cos A and it will become 1 upon 1 minus cos A. Understood? And everybody? Abigail, did you understand?
I didn't, sir. Can you explain the step?
Please. I take out this sine A as a common. The sine A is out. So if this sine A is out, so if nothing is there, then we have to write 1. So I wrote 1. In the same way, this sine A is also out. So I take out 1. Right? I wrote it down 1. Understood? No.
Then how did 1 plus cos A become 1 minus cos A?
It's in the denominator, no? The denominator thing, uh,
You
I
didn't
didn't
do
did
anything.
anything to, yeah,
Okay.
I didn't did anything to the denominator. I just take out the sine A from the numerator. So that's why it's remain like that. Abigail, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will you do? As I told you, to make the denominator same. So for making the denominator same, this will multiply with both up and down. Okay. So it will become a like this, like sine A is already there. So it will become 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Okay. Then plus sign will come And in the same way, this will also multiply with both numerator and denominator. So it will become 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is equals to 2 cos A. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand? Please
So,
tell me. Yes.
is that the part of the question, the one in the box? Because
Yeah,
it says,
everything is in part of the question.
because it says example. So,
Which example, Beta?
the one in the box. The
Okay,
the
this is not in the part of the question. I just told you how to make the denominator same. Like
Okay.
here, what I did, this 1 minus cos A I multiply with both up and down. In the same way, 1 plus cos A I multiply with both up and down. Understood, guys? Tehuan, Ezekiel, Abigail. Abigail, did you understand, Beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what I will do, like because the denominators are same, so now it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So what it will become? A square minus b square, which is one minus cos square a. And here, because the denominators are same, so I can simply solve it. Everyone understood till here? Till here, any problem, guys? Please tell me. Please see this step, Ezekiel. Do you have any problem in this? Okay, Jehovan, do you have any problem, beta?
No, sir.
Good. Okay, so sine A. Now this now now this plus cos A K plus cos A minus cos A will cut, so it becomes 2. 1 plus 1 become 2. And 1 minus cos square A. Can you tell me what can I write? 1 minus cos square A. Can you tell me from the formulas? Abigail? I want answer from Abigail. Abigail, what will you write 1 minus cos square A? I gave you the formulas. Can you see from the formula sheet?
Sir, I don't
Do
have
you
the
have a,
formula. I don't have the
okay.
formula with me right now.
If I will write the formulas, can you derivate it from this? What will you write as 1 minus cos square A? Can you do something? You can do it. I know.
Sine square.
Very good. So 2 upon sine square. I request Hannah to send the formula sheet that you have in the group so everyone can write it down in the paper. Okay, everyone write it down on the A4 size paper and keep it with you whenever doing this chapter. Okay, everyone understood? Okay, is equals to 2 cosec A. Understood, guys? Now this sine A and this sine A will cut, so it becomes 2 upon sine A. So now Ezekiel will tell me 2 upon sine A can be written as. Now, Ezekiel, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
1
So I have a
upon
confusion. How did the numerator become 2?
numerator can how? See, 1 plus 1, 2, and the minus cos A plus cos A, like it's plus 2 minus 2 is 0, na? So it's the same with minus cos A plus cos A is 0.
Okay, I was like confused
Understood?
because like 1 minus plus 1, that's where I got confused. Like the minus sign is there.
Mm, yeah, minus sign is there. 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. No? That's right. Now, 1 upon sin A can be written as, Ezekiel will tell me. Quickly, we are waiting.
So sin A can be written by 1 by cosec A, right?
हाँ, तो अब now 1 upon sin A can be written as
1 upon cosec A.
no. Sin A can be written as what you told. Sin A can be written as 1 upon cos sec A. Now, if you're reversing it, like 1 upon sin A you're doing, so you have to reverse this thing also. 1 upon cos sec A
Okay,
also.
okay. So, okay.
So what it will become?
Cosec.
Yes, cos sec A. So it will become 2 cos sec A is equals to 2 cos sec A. And so,
So why did you say how can 1 upon sin A be written as it is like 2 upon sin A, right?
so like if I will, it's can I write it like this? 2 into 1 means the same, no? Like 2 into 1, then 1 upon sin A can be written as cos sec A. So 2 into, so it will become 2 cos sec A. Jahan, did you understand? Hannah, Abigail, Joshua, please ask me Joshua doubt.
understand.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly write it down, or if you want to take screenshot, whatever you want to do. Good, Abigail. I will give you same type of question one more time. Let's see, will you able to do this or not? Shall I is this? Shall I is this? Okay, you guys do it. Now you guys, same type of question. Similar type of questions. The values are bit changed. Now, if you're able to do it, it means that you are cracking the walls of the trigonometry. If you have any problem, if you're stuck anywhere else, you
So
can
what did
ask
you
me.
say?
If you're able to do this question, then it means that you're cracking the wall of the trigonometry. You know how the wall of Jericho got destroyed, like how it become down? Huh? You know, right? Nobody knows? Jehovah? How is the wall of Jericho like destroyed, like how it becomes weakened down? Jehovah? Now you are mute. You're saying the answer. Jehovah. Jehovah. Jehovah don't know. Hannah? Hannah,
Walked
how?
around it,
Yeah. Only walk. Only walk.
and they were praising also.
Praising and worshipping God, no? So in the same way, you have to walk around the maths book and praising and worshipping God to break the walls of the math. Okay, then only you can crack the good marks in English. English. Okay. You guys got the answer?
So
Good enough.
What are you doing?
Yes, sure, sir.
I had a problem with the multiplying part.
Which part, beta? This part.
Yeah.
So if we, what you have to do, you have to multiply this one plus sin a to up and down, both. It become 1 plus sin a. And because when you are doing this, so you can make the same denominator while multiplying these numbers. In the
Okay.
same way, 1 minus sin a will multiply with both up and down, so it become like this. Now you have to solve it.
Okay.
Got it, Joshua? No.
Yes, sir.
Jehovan, you got it, beta?
Yes, sir. I'm still doing the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, I got it.
Okay. I will give you a new type of question now. So like this, take screenshot. Okay. Can you solve this? It's very easy. I will tell it to you. What's the hint I'm telling it to you? That open this identity. What is this identity, Ezekiel? What is this identity? A minus B whole square. Now, what is the identity of that? A minus B whole square.
So a minus 2, no. A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So now if you will compare this thing and this thing, so A is equals to what, Abigail?
Sin A,
And B is equals to what?
cos A.
Can you put this value into this?
Yeah.
Solve it there. Abigail, Hannah, did you understand, beta? No, Hannah didn't understand anything. Why, Hannah? What happened, Hannah?
I understood it, but I was expecting the 2 sin A dot cos A to be cancelled out, right? But both are minus.
No, not both are minus. Not both are minus. What are you doing, Hannah? It's very good. Check your eyes. Joshua, will you able to do it now? No.
I'll try to do it.
Proceed to it. Jehoan, are you with me? No.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Ezekiel, see, I got the answer. Okay. Now we'll do one more type of question.
So can you go back once?
Take screenshots.
Okay, sir.
I hope you guys getting it. Is this conceptual doubt class? Is it you getting these types of things? Is it for your advantage? No. Okay, then it's okay. Tomorrow we'll do the chapter number 9. Okay. Tomorrow 8:30. Be prepared. Okay. It's for only for tomorrow. Tomorrow is 8:30. Is your class. Okay. Now don't write anything. Now I will solve this. Okay, guys, please get it. Now, do you know what is rationalization? Who knows about rationalization? Who know about the rationalization? Nobody knows?
I think I remember, like when you make the denominator equal and you
Okay.
multiply it with the same denominator.
Okay. So basically, if I will take one example for you guys, this is an example, okay? Like if I will write 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. Now the denominator is in the root form. I have to change them into a rational number. That is called a rationalization. So how will I do this? See, in this question, I have to multiply this number by root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. What I'm doing, I'm repeating again. I'm multiplying this number with root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. Now you guys will ask that, sir, why are you taking this number only? Why I'm taking this number only? Because I want to create an identity of a minus b, a plus b, so that it can become a square minus b square. Understood? Yes or no? Now root 3 minus root 2 is given. Root 3 plus root 2 is given. Okay, so like how will you do this question? If minus is given, you have to multiply the same numbers will be there, but the sign will oppose it. It becomes plus and plus. If here plus is there, then it will become minus and minus. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay, so that it can be in the form of root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 root 3 square minus root 2 square. So that can become in the form of root 3 square minus root 2 square. So it will become root 3 plus root 2, then become root 3 square, which is 3, and root 2 square, which is 2. So it will become root 3 plus root 2 upon 1. So I got it in the rational form. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Ezekiel, Hannah, Jehovan.
The rationalization, I didn't get
Hmm.
it.
See, rationalization, it is in the root form, the denominator is in root form, and the final answer is in 1, which is a rational number. So I have to change the root form into a rational number is called as rationalization. How will you do this? Root 3 minus root 2 is given here. Yes. Now root 3 minus root 2, what you have to do? You have to change the sign. If minus is given, then you have to multiply it by plus 1. If plus is given, then you have to multiply with minus 1. Now it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So what will you do? It becomes a square minus b square. Now a square means root 3 square, b square means root 2 square. Now square of root 3 is 3, square of root 2 is 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So I make the denominator as 1. This is called as rationalization.
Okay.
Understood? Now in the same way, we have to do the rationalization of this. How will you do this? As I told you, like what is given, its plus is given, so I have to multiply it with the opposite side. It becomes means minus 1. Understood? No. Did you understand, guys? As we did here, it was minus na, so multiplied with by plus and plus sign. In the same way, plus is there. I have to change the sign to minus. Understood, guys? Then it will become 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now it is in the form of A minus B, A plus B to become 1 minus cos square A, which is A square minus B square. Understood, Abigail, Jehovan, Joshua? Please ask me.
Understood, sir.
Joshua, Ezekiel, Jehovan, Hannah. Okay. Now, what will I do? Can I write it like this? 1 minus cos A whole square. Because 2 times the same number is multiplying, so I can make the power 2 here. Yes. Upon 1 minus cos square A can be written as sin square A. Okay. Now, can I write it like this? 1 minus cos A upon sin A the whole square, because I just make the power same. I take the power common. Understood, Ezekiel? Then it will become, now can I write it like this? 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. Then 1 upon sin A is cos A K. Cos A upon sin A is cot A. I got the answer. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Sir, were you
Hmm.
solving RHS?
LHS, LHS. This time.
Okay, sir.
Take screenshot or write it down. Don't let your screenshot be in mobile only. If you're taking screenshot, then it should be in your notebook also. Like you should write after this class. Okay, so you guys have 4 minutes break. Then we will come in the science class. Okay, so bye, Abigail and Ezekiel. We'll meet on science class. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, come back. Okay, so what we were doing? We did the light chapter, I guess, and today we want to start motion and its execution. Come on, everyone, turn on your camera, please. Johan, what's the chapter number, beta? Joshua, turn on your camera, please. Joshua, what's chapter number?
Johan asked for force and motion, chapter 10.
Chapter 10, yeah. Yes, Johan, what's the problem in that, beta? Johan, what's your problem, beta, in this? What doubt you have?
Calculating momentum, velocity, and
Okay, you didn't understand the momentum velocity. So first we will learn about momentum, okay? Okay. So first is momentum. Okay. So for the momentum, I will take one example, then I will let you understand this thing. Okay, now listen, guys. Now listen, guys. See, option A or option B. Which option will take you to the Jesus? Jehovah. Which option will uh, give you an opportunity to have a lunch with Jesus?
option A.
Option A. Okay, why option A? Both have the same velocity. You can see here, here is velocity 30, here is also velocity 30. Then what makes the difference in option A? Why it will take you to the Father? Tell me.
Because it has a higher momentum.
Higher momentum? Momentum, we didn't understand about momentums. We don't know about anything momentum. Just forget about momentum.
Higher weight.
Higher weight, higher mass, no? So, I experience a lot. When I'm driving near to the cycle, I don't feel any problem. But when a big truck is there, then I need to be careful. Even though it is in the speed of cycle only, but I need to be careful that okay, if I will hit the cycle will fall down. The cycle man will fall down. But if I will hit the truck, then I will fall down in the lap of Jesus. You know. So basically, what happens that the mass matters, and with the mass, velocity is also matter. Okay, like in this case, you may have a fracture in your finger, a little finger, or whatever the thing is. But in this case, you will have a opportunity to have a lunch with Jesus. So basically, why? Because here the mass is more, and because the mass is more, the momentum, the new term which is momentum, which you didn't understand, is more. So basically, momentum is termed as mass into velocity. Mass is denoted by m, velocity is denoted by v. And when you will multiply it, you will get answer as p, which is momentum. So momentum is not only mass, is not only velocity, but the product of mass and velocity. The product of mass and velocity makes the momentum. In the same way, the option B, the mass, if I will calculate the momentum of option A, so PA is the momentum of option A. So it becomes mass, which is 100, and to velocity, which is 30. So it is 30 K, sorry, not 30, 3000 kg meter per second is the momentum of the option A. But if I will calculate the option of B, it will be 30 kg meter per second. So now we got an idea that if momentum is more, then you will have a great impact on your body also. Understood? Yes or no? This is all about momentum. Now we'll learn about impulse, which is related to momentum. So I'm taking that topic also. So impulse is basically the change in momentum. Impulse is nothing else but change in momentum is called as the impulse. I'm repeating again, the change in momentum. Okay, so we'll take one example of this also. So for example, this is a car. Only take it as example because my drawing is very bad and I'm proud of it. So the car is at stationary position. So for example, the mass of the car is 300 kgs and the car is at stationary position. So it means that the U is denoted by the initial momentum. U is nothing else, but U is the initial velocity. Sorry, initial velocity. Initial velocity. Okay, and now the car starts. Now the car starts like it's in the motion. Okay, like I will put some graphics so that you can understand its motion. Okay, so yeah, so now because now the mass is same, the mass is same 300, but now the v is denoted as final velocity. V is final velocity. And now the velocity of the car is 20 meter per second. How much? 20 meter per second. So before, because there is no velocity, the momentum is different. And now because of the more velocity, the momentum is different. So as I told you, momentum is depends on mass also as well as velocity also. So because velocity change, the momentum will change. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Hmm. So for example, what is the momentum in this case? I repeat it as PI. PI is initial momentum. PI stands for initial momentum. So initial momentum is mass into velocity, which is u in this case. So mass, which is 300 into 0 is equals to 0 kg meter per second. Vi is equals to 0 kg meter per second. Okay. Now in this case, we have to calculate PF. PF is basically the final momentum. Just give me a second. I'm sorry. Yeah. So now in this PF is final momentum. PF is nothing else but final momentum. So PF is equals to mass into final velocity. Now mass is 300, final velocity is 20, so it will become 6,000 kg meter per second. Now in this case, now impulse is basically, as I told you, the change in momentum. So impulse denote as final momentum, which is PF, minus initial momentum, which is PI. So PF is 6,000 minus initial momentum is 0. So the answer will be impulse of this in this case is 6,000 kg meter per second. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Did you understand, guys? Yes. So, Jehovan, I hope your doubt got solved in the momentum topic. Is it clear or not? Ask me.
Actually, more particularly was the law of conservation of momentum and the question of that.
Which question? Tell it again.
Law of conservation of momentum and what's that?
Law of
Right.
conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. You didn't understand, no? Okay. Yeah. I'll explain it. Okay. So now the topic is law of conservation of momentum. Did you take screenshot? You want to take screenshot?
I hope the answer.
So law of conservation of momentum. Now what does this mean? What does this mean? See guys, law of conservation of momentum is basically means that the conservation before collision and the conservation the momentum before collision and the momentum after collision, the momentum will not change. Okay, so we'll understand it like this. See, there are two balls out there. Okay, these are two balls. This is small m or big M we can take, and this is small m. This is u, or we can take this like this. We can write it like this. This is ma having initial velocity ua, and this is mb having initial velocity ub. Okay. So now there is a collision between these two balls like this. This is ma. This is mb. Now there is a collision, and now because the collision occurs, now their velocity will change, and because if the velocity will change, so it will become va and vb. Okay, understood. Now this is the case. I'll repeat it again. There are two balls are there having their velocity u and ub, and they collide. Okay, and after collision, because their velocity will change, so they become v and vb. Okay, now you guys tell me. In this case, in the before collision case, which velocity will be more, ua or ub? Tisharon? Before collision, which velocity will be more? Which ball speed is more? A ball or B ball?
I don't know.
Okay. Jawan?
A ball.
A ball, yes. The velocity of A will be more, no? Then only the collision will occur. Like B ball is running very fast and A is slow, then they will not collide, na? Understood? Yes or no, Jawan? Joshron? Did you understand, Joshron? No. If A ball is fast, then only the collision will occur, na? If A ball is slow and B ball is fast, like this, then the collision will not occur. Understood? Okay, so in this case, UA is greater than UB. Okay, and in this case, what will happen, Hannah? After collision, which velocity will be more?
B.
B velocity will be more. Why? Because now it hit. So when it hit, then it will move fastly because the velocity changes. Okay, so in this case, VB is more than VA. Okay, so now what does this question says? This question says that change in momentum before collision is equals to change in momentum after collision. Before collision or after collision, the momentum will remain conserved. Okay? Before collision or after collision, the momentum will remain same. Okay? Like you can say, you can get a simple example also. Like the mass will remain same, no? The mass is same. There is no destroy of the mass. But here the velocity UA is more. For example, the UA is 10 and UB is 5. The UA is 10 and UB is 5. Now in this case, what will happen? Now V will become 10 and UA will become 5. So the momentum, the momentum conservation before collision and after collision is same. This is called as law of conservation of momentum. That momentum cannot be destroyed or cannot be added more. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Jehoan, did you understand, beta? Yeah. So now, if you want to take out the formula, so it will become the changing momentum is like final momentum minus initial momentum of the ball A no, not like this. Yeah. Changing momentum before collision. So in this, we get this formula that MA UA plus MB UB is equals to MA BA plus MB BB. So the momentum will remain conserved. This is mainly what is the law of conservation of momentum. Understood? Jahoan? Jahoan, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Take screenshot, Hannah. I mean, everyone take screenshot. Yeah, next question, next out. Jahoan. Jahoan, next doubt, please.
Okay. Can we do example 10.3?
Example 10.3. Yeah, please. Thank you. Example 10. Yeah, sure. Okay. So a bullet of mass, this is fired before with the velocity of this, fine, and from the rifle. So calculate the recoil velocity. Now, what do you mean by recoil? So recoil velocity is when you're firing a gun, then when you fire, then you will get some backward force which is called as recoil velocity. Okay, so if you will make a diagram of this, for example, this is a gun. So if you will hit the bullet, if you fire a gun and the bullet will comes out, the bullet velocity, the VA will go in that direction, and VB, which is gun recoil velocity, will come in a backward direction. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So in this case, you have to take positive and negative thing also. Okay. So the mass of the gun is MB, and this is M. Okay. So MB is mass of gun. VB is recoil of gun. MA is mass of bullet. VB is velocity of bullet. Understood, guys? This is the thing. Okay. Now, now, see, guys. Now in this case, we should know this formula that MA VA plus MA, sorry, MB. No, I wrote wrong formula. Sorry for that. MAUA plus MAMB UV is equals to MAVA plus MBVB. Now this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula that we have to use. So first of all, we have to find it out what is MA, what is MB, what is UA, UB, like this. Okay. So now understand it like this. Understand it like this. Okay. Now what is MA? MA is the mass of the gun bullet, which is 0.03 kg. Okay. What is MB? Is the mass of a gun, which is 3 kg. What is UA? U is initial velocity, and initial velocity in this case will be 0. Why 0? Because they are at stationary position. So UA will become 0 meter per second. In the same way, UB will also become 0 meter per second. Okay, now VA is the velocity of a bullet, which is 100 meter per second. And what is VB? VB will become minus VB. Now, can you tell me why I wrote minus VB? Can anybody tell me why I wrote minus VB here? Can you tell me? See, the velocity of gun is going in right direction. But the velocity of a the velocity of a bullet is at right direction, but the velocity of gun is at left direction. Because directions are changing, so we have to put one of the things is minus. Understood, Jahan? Yes or no? So now I have to put the values into this, like MA. So this whole term will become 0. Why? Because MA into 0, MB into 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So it becomes 0 is equals to MA. What is MA? 0.03 into VA is 100 plus MA is 3 into minus VB. So 0 is equals to 3 plus, not plus, minus 3v. Minus 3vv. So this will go that side. It will become 3vv is equals to 3. Vv is equals to 3 by 3. So Vb is equals to 1 meter per second. So it means that the velocity of the recoil velocity, which is coming in the backward direction, is 1 meter per second. Understood, Jehovah? No. Ask me. It's your doubt class. It's okay. Jehovah, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? If you didn't understand, then ask me.
I understood, sir.
Okay. So we'll end here only. Tomorrow, if you have more doubt, then come with a doubt, because this week is a conceptual doubt class. So I hope it will help you a lot. So then, till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Fata bye. Sabake. Sayo.